The White House tonight says it will develop nationwide standards for when it is considered safe to reopen schools, something that didn't exist before. And it comes after the CDC says there's little evidence that in-person learning leads to spread in the community if proper precautions are taken. CBS's Meg Oliver has more on the nationwide battle to reopen our schools.
We relied on science and data to help inform every step.
After almost a year of virtual learning, Philadelphia's youngest students, pre-K through second, will see the inside of a classroom in February.
We have an obligation, and we must take action now.
This comes after the Centers for Disease Control announced if precautions are followed, there's little evidence of transmission in schools. In addition to face masks, physical distancing, and increased room ventilation, schools need to limit risky activities like indoor sports and restrict indoor dining.
Schools closed is a national emergency. We are seeing the devastating costs just pile on top of each other.
Joseph Allen is the director of the Healthy Buildings program at the Harvard School of Public Health.
If schools follow these guidelines, is there any reason for the teachers' unions not to return?
No, really. I mean, the new data we're seeing supports what we've seen, that schools are not contributing in meaningful ways to community spread.
But across the country, the divisive debate rages on between districts and teachers' unions refusing to return. Tonight, the nation's third largest school district, Chicago, is on the brink of a teacher's strike.
My message to the teachers' unions is we need you guys.
Tamika Hinton is a single mom of 10-year-old Destin in Chicago. She had to move in with her grandfather after cutting her work hours to stay home to supervise virtual learning.
How long can you maintain this?
Not long. To try to do e-learning is really hard.
Currently, one reason unions are pushing back on returning is because there are only 23 states that prioritize teachers for the vaccine. In New Jersey, there are still hundreds of districts like Montclair with no date on the calendar to return in person. Nora?
Meg Oliver, thank you.